Hello students, let us discuss some more formulas of the integrals. Integral of 1 upon x square minus a square with respect to x is 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Integrals of 1 upon a square minus x square dx equals to 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus c. To remember students, x square minus a square is there, then we have to write x minus a upon x plus a. And when a square minus x square is there in denominator, we have to write a minus x in denominator. Okay? So by this way you can easily remember. Now students, 1 upon root a square minus x square, integration sine inverse x upon a plus c, and integral of 1 upon root x square minus a square with respect to x equals to log x plus root x square minus a square plus c, and integral of 1 upon root x square plus a square dx equals to log x plus root x square plus a square plus c, and integral of 1 upon a square plus s square with respect to x is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. Integral of 1 upon x root x square minus a square with respect to x equals to 1 upon a sec inverse x upon a plus c. Students, if you want to prove all these formulas, so we can differentiate this part. So its derivative must be equal to this. Okay? So what you will do at home? Find out its derivative, 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a, then you will get 1 upon x square minus a square. So by the help of differentiation, you can find out all these formula. You can easily prove all these formulas. Now let us solve some question based on these formulas. First question is, we have to find out integration of 3x square upon x to the power 6 plus 1 with respect to x. So let I equals to integral of 3x square, and x to the power 6 can be written as x cube square plus 1 dx. Now students, if we suppose x cube as t, then its derivative is 3x square. Okay? So we are going to suppose x cube equal to t. So when we differentiate it with respect to x, its derivative is 3x square equal to dt by dx. So it means 3x square dx equals to dt. So at the place of 3x square dx, we can write dt. And in denominator it will become t square plus 1. Okay? So remember, when this kind of question is there, so to get the numerator, we can suppose the denominator as t, so that the numerator can be removed easily and we can easily form the formula. Now its integration is 1 upon t square plus 1 square tan inverse t plus c. We have applied here this formula, student. The value of a is 1 here. So tan inverse x plus c. So at the place of x here t is given. So we can write I equals to tan inverse t plus c. Let us replace t. When we replace t, so at the place of t, we have to write x cube. So I equals to tan inverse x cube plus c. Now the question number 2. we have to find integral 1 upon root 1 plus 4x square with respect to x. So integral 1 upon root 1 plus 4x can be written 2x whole square. So 2x equals to t, differentiating both sides with respect to x. So its derivative is 2. 2 equal to dt upon dx. Correct? So dx equal to dt by 2. So at the place of 2x square we can write t square, and at the place of dx we can write dt by 2. So dt by 2 upon 1 square plus t square. So integration of 1 upon a square plus x square is log t plus root 1 plus t square plus c, and this 1 upon 2 will remain as it is. I equals to 1 upon 2 log. Now replace t. We have supposed here 2x equals to t. So at the place of t we can write 2x. So 2x plus root 1 plus 4x square plus c. Okay students, let's solve one more question. Question number 3. We have to find out integral of 1 upon root 9 minus 25x square with respect to x. So it can be written as 1 upon root x3 square minus 5x square dx. In the previous question student we have supposed here 2x equals to t. If you want to solve it directly, so we can solve it directly also. We are going to use here formula 1 upon root a square minus x square. So its derivative is sine inverse x upon a. So I equals to sine inverse x value is 5x, a value is 3, sine inverse 5x upon 3 plus c. And remember student, the coefficient of x must come in denominator. Earlier I told you, the same we will do here. Okay, the coefficient of x must come in denominator. Okay, otherwise you can do one thing more. If you want to suppose 5x equal to t, then also you will get the same answer. So this is the direct method. In this method, always remember we have to write the coefficient of x in denominator. So I equals to sine inverse 5x upon 3 upon 5 plus c. So I equal to 1 upon 5 sine inverse 5x upon 3 plus c. Next question. We have to find out integral of 3x upon 1 plus 2x to the power 4 dx. So how can we solve this students? To solve this we are going to take 1 upon 2 common from denominator. So it will become 1 upon 2 and it will become x to the power 4. So I equals to 1 upon 2 integral of 3x upon 1 upon 2 and x square, x to the power 4 can be written as x square whole square. So let us suppose x square equal to t. So when we suppose x square equal to t, its derivative 2x equals to dt by dx. So 2x dx equals to dt. X dx equals to dt by 2. So student, in the question at the place of x dx we can write dt by 2, and then it will become I equals to 1 by 2, 3 will remain as it is. At the place of dx we can write dt by 2, and in denominator 1 upon 2 plus t square. So we can write 3 outside and 2 will go up. Correct? Now students, 3 upon 4 root 1 upon 2 can be written 1 upon root 2 whole square plus t square. Now we can apply the formula of 1 upon a square plus x square. 1 upon a square plus x square formula 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. So 1 upon a value 1 upon root 2, tan inverse x, value is t here, upon a value is 1 upon root 2 plus c. So I equals to root 2 will go up, it will become 3 root 2 upon 4, tan inverse, root 2 will come here. So root 2 x square, when we replace t, at the place of t we can write x square. So root 2 x square plus c. Okay students.